Hey YouTube, it's Sean, and this would be part 2 of the modification on the drill press. And as you can see, we got the motor mounted. Yeah. Yep. So now, and it runs good. I did throw it on and test it to make sure everything was good, and it is. Now right now what I'm doing is the wiring from the switch on the drill press. Doing the wiring to the box, and we have to build. Excuse me, guys. We have to build a box, right, for our speed controller and our transformer. And I got them mounted in there. And this is the top of the box, right here. And I got our potentiometer mounted. Right, so had to end up getting a different potentiometer because I needed a 10K, and the one I had was 250K. Big difference. Anyway, yeah, so what I'm doing now is wiring, right? And going to mount this down to this here stand, but no, she's together. I'm going to make a belt guard out of the spare stuff that I have. But yeah, she does run, and she runs well. And I need to clean up my welds right there and right there. I put safety welds on them. Basically, they didn't have to have them, but this thing's going to be turning faster than it was way, and the bearings were in good shape, and I can always go in later and change those bearings if they need it. Now that serpentine belt setup right here, no worries, guys. I cut a V-belt groove in there, and these belts are not very expensive, but it's not doesn't seem to be rubbing or making noise or anything. So I just cut a V-belt groove in that pulley, and she's golden. Now I just got to clean up my safety weld because I don't want this spinning off the shaft, so I just welded right on top. Now if you got to spin this off, you can always just grind that weld off, done, and just spin this flywheel right off. Same thing here. So anyway, yeah, let's do some wiring, and that's what we're doing. And I made a little shelf down here for the box to go in this side, and then I have this shelf for like bits and crap to go into. But I got this box today for $1 at the well, it's kind of a thrift store. Yeah, it's a starter box for like a compressor or something. It had a whole bunch of motor starters, what do they call those stupid things? Capacitors. And it had a contactor and a couple of, what do you call these things? I guess they would be they're resets, where they pop out. But yeah, that junk was in there, and I took all that out. Don't need any of that in there, right? But I still have this box from the drill press. I bet you we can make a belt guard out of that, right? Alright guys, that's the update. But she does run well. I tested it last night. Works good. And we will give you guys a glimpse at that very soon. Alright, take it easy. And remember, if you watch it, thumb it up. Take it easy guys. Bye-bye.